Seventh one is maintenance. Cloud computing applications are easier to maintain since they don't have to be installed on each user's computer. The last one is metering. Cloud computing resources usage should be measurable and should be metered per client and application on daily, weekly, etc. Now I would like to explain you about what are the pros and cons of cloud computing. At the beginning, I would like to tell you about what are the pros of cloud computing. Lower computer costs. You don't need a high powered and high priced computer to run cloud computing's web based applications. Since applications run in the cloud, not on the desktop PC, your desktop PC doesn't need the processing power or hard disk space demanded by traditional desktop software. The next one is improved performance with fewer bloated programs hogging your computer's memory. You will see better performance from your PC. Another one is unlimited storage capacity. Cloud computing offers virtually limitless storage. Your computer's current 200 gigabyte hard drive is peanuts compared to the hundreds of petabytes available in the cloud. Whatever you need to store, you can. Another one is device independence. Finally, here's the ultimate cloud computing advantage. You are no longer tied to a single computer or network. Change computers and your existing applications or documents follow you through the cloud. Move to a portable device and your apps and docs are still available. There is no need to buy a special version of a program for a particular device or to save your document in a device specific format. Now I would like to explain about what are the cons of cloud computing. Requires a constant internet connection. Cloud computing is impossible if you can't connect to the internet. Since you use the internet to connect to both your applications and documents, if you don't have an internet connection, you can't access anything, even your own documents. Another one is doesn't work well with low speed connections. A low speed internet connection such as dial up service makes cloud computing painful at best and often impossible. Web based applications require a lot of bandwidth to download, as do large documents. Another one is stored data might not be secure. With cloud computing, all your data is stored on the cloud. How secure is the cloud? can unauthorized users gain access to your confidential data? Cloud computing companies say that data is secure, but it's too early in the game to be completely sure of that. Only time will tell if your data is secure in the cloud. Cloud computing is the ultimate way to get limitless storage space and high performance. If you need more hard disk space to store all your digital photos and MP3 files, you could either purchase a new external hard drive or the low cost cloud storage. Thank you.